Welcome to Granville. So we're just on an evening walk. We're in Newtown at the moment. I always feel really safe in Newtown. There's always quite a big police presence and I've never felt to have my wits about me, which is always nice feeling. So we're just coming up to, as you can see, the big Albufeira 66 opposite Wild & Co. It's currently 1 AM. It's September and it's relatively busy, but as you can see, everyone's still sort of in summer clothes. It's a little bit of a breeze to the air, I'm not going to lie, it's a little bit chilly, but nothing that if you have a jacket, jeans,
vodka jacket,
you'll be absolutely fine. Right, so this is Albufeira 66. It's a really busy spot. Always got loads of people in there. They do some really nice cocktails and it's got screens if you want to watch football and stuff. We got Cooper's here. You've got like a little bit more of a gaming vibe. Matt's Bar is really popular. We haven't actually been in Matt's Bar, so that's somewhere I really need to go. Comment below if you've ever been to Matt's, what you think of it. If you've ever been to Albufeira Strip. Got Cooper's, get your food. So there's always somewhere to eat along here as well, mixed in with the clubs. But Matt's Bar looks like a really good spot. So I'm definitely gonna have to check that out and see what that's about. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment as well below and share. It's still really busy. It's a little bit of a walk because we're staying in Old Town, so we did get a taxi. Taxi's like reasonably priced this time of night. Cost us about €6-7, which isn't too bad, especially if you're like in a group. This is a really nice little spot here as well. We've been in there a few times. They do some nice drinks. Got another like cocktail beers. They always do lots of cocktails. So there's something for everyone. I like Carver, so I prefer to get like a Carver or something with bubbles, but like I love a cocktail. Shots, all the normal stuff. So if you're wondering what you can actually get here, it's pretty much the same as anywhere. You're not going to kind of struggle for drinks. The local beer, Bock, I believe it's called. I'll drink it, but I'm not really a fan, if I'm honest. Really good club. This is usually gets really busy. Again, it's around 1 o'clock. It is September. It is a little bit calmer from if you're going peak season, sort of June, July, August. It's rammed along the new strip. Gets busy during the day. This is all like shops, a few more restaurants. There is still stuff to do during the day. Tattoo parlor. You are wanting to come to the strip in New Town and actually have a day out. There is a couple of beaches this side as well. And kebabbies there. Oh, there we go. Another sort of little eating area is drinks as well. And then we're going to P Club. Starts to get a little bit busier. So the strip's sort of like split in two. So it's one straight line, but you kind of have one side and then there's like a road and another side. So this one's always busy. We've been in here a few times. It's really nice, good atmosphere, lots to do. Pizza always gets you around this time of night. The food gets me all the time. So as I was saying about how the road likes them too, as you walk down here, so you've got like hotels opposite as well. So if you did really want to stay on the main part of the strip, it's really ideal. You can literally stay on the strip and like not walk far if you are worried about sort of taxis. But where we are, there is another sort of main area in Old Town and it was €7 to get here. And you can walk it. It is a little bit hilly and it is about a 40-minute for me, could be an hour. So it is doable on a good evening, especially in the warmer season. It definitely would be something that you can do. And maybe do like a little bar crawl along the way. So we're just going to go to like a little back road basically. So we're just veering off the main part of the strip. So you've got this kind of club here, which is Liberis. I'm probably saying that incorrectly, but yeah, that's more of like a, I wouldn't say super club, but a bigger space, and it's a little bit more traditional. So yeah, so just coming over to this one. This one's really cool because it's got like a really nice little outside seating area. Got a beach bar there as well, cocktails. Looks like that one might be closed. Again, during peak season, all of this is open. We have come during September. As you can see, a lot is still open and busy, but not everything is going to be as full capacity as when you come in sort of like June, August. So yeah, this one's always really, really busy. It's got a really big dance floor. It goes really far back. So that was just a little tour around Newtown. We didn't go into any bars. I just wanted to do like a little walk on the first part and show you what's open, what's going on, what you can expect if you come sort of like September time. And like I said, it's still really busy. So have a great evening and thanks.